Hi friends, today I'm going to prepare finger idlis, also called as fried idlis. For this I have taken 2 idlis. We need some cooking oil to shallow fry the idlis, 1 spoon of idli chili powder, also called as idli podi in Tamil, and half spoon of salt. Idli already contains salt, so we need not add too much of salt, just half spoon or even less salt is enough. We should chop the idlis in the shape of French fries like this. Cut the idlis into the shape of French fries. Heat a frying pan or dosa tawa by adding few spoons of cooking oil. And we should shallow fry the idlis. If we have leftover idlis prepared in the morning, we can use the idlis to prepare this recipe, fried idlis or finger idlis. Kids will definitely love it. They will never say no. They will ask for more. Roast it well on both sides by adding liberal amount of oil, as we are going to shallow fry the idlis. We should roast the idlis until it turns brown and crispy. Not only kids, even elders will love this recipe. We could see one side of the idlis are roasted well. Now I am turning it on the other side. Roast it well on all sides until it turns crispy. Now I'm adding salt and the idli podi. Half spoon of salt and 1 spoon of idli podi. Mix it well and roast it for another 1 or 2 minutes. So our yummy finger idlis are ready. We can have it for breakfast or for evening snacks. Definitely try this.